And we have ignition. Working pretty good. The pump's a little stiff. Check valve might need to be cleaned down a little more, but all in all, works good. Gonna let it burn through that eighth of a tank of fuel that I put in there, and store it away for now. I'll probably do some more work on it in the future. Thanks for watching. Hey, hello and welcome back to Ravenwood Acres. Today I have a video on me doing a repair to the 220 Hotel or H that I picked up from a Goodwill, or my wife picked up for me. It had a lot of corrosion or rust in the pump tube. Looks like someone left it sitting out in the rain, maybe on a camping trip, and then they never dried it out or dumped it out, so the water sat down in there. You could actually see a line where the water sat in there and then just rusted. Obviously not the way to take care of your Coleman lanterns, but I do my best to clean out that tube. I'll show you some of the methods in this video, what I did. Please check out our website, theravenwoodacres.com/Coleman, for all the Coleman stuff, and of course just everything else that's over there. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you can also follow us, which will be linked down below, as our Telegram question and answer Coleman group, which is just designed a place where you can share your Coleman finds, or if you have a specific question about a Coleman lantern or a heater or pretty much any Coleman product. As long as I've had a little bit of experience with it, I should be able to help you or assist you, or maybe somebody else in the community can assist you in that group. So go ahead and join that group through that link. I'll accept your invitation. Trying to energize that group a little bit. I got a few followers over there, but it's simple. You can have it on your phone or your computer. But yeah, so appreciate you watching. Now onto the video. All right, so here in that 220 Hotel or H model, it's still got the leather style pump gland or pump cup. It's got oil, looks like, and it's still, but you can see all that gunk. In fact, all that right there, that all came out of the tube. So let me show you best I can. Just getting lighting in there for the camera is going to be difficult, but it's pretty gunk. First thing I'll do, grab the shop vac, suck that out, and then I may need to end up removing the check valve to be able to clean it as good as I want to, because there's some I know it's hard to see in there, but you have to trust me, there's some pretty heavy buildup in there that it's going to end up just chewing this pump up if I start trying to pump, or that cup, if I try to start pumping it up. If you see that right there, it's got a deformity in it. So all right, that is not all, because I sucked some out with the shop vac, but that's how much came out of there. So it's pretty bad. I'm probably, like I said, gonna have to take the check valve out and put run kind of like I'll use some sort of emery cloth or something like that and put it on a drill bit or drill attachment and run it down through there to clean that out. It's ugly, so we'll continue to clean that. Hopefully we can restore it enough to make it usable. right, so the best thing I found, this is a 12 gauge shotgun cleaning rod with the 12 gauge brush here on the end. That's a copper brush, so a stainless brush might work a little better because we're working with steel here, but I got it as best as I could. I think based off of luckily these old leather style pump glands here, cups, as you whatever you want to call it, are pretty forgiving, so we'll see if we can get pressure built in the tank as bad as that is. But the last thing is, you know, that's an important fact about storing these. You can tell that water actually sat in there, so I don't know if this person left this out in the rain or what, but definitely took its toll and could potentially ultimately ruin this nice old lantern.